What is true divine mercy? Let's dive right into a cosmic concept that'll totally reshape how you view reality.
It's the ultimate paradox, right? If a creator is infinitely merciful, why on earth do devastating disasters happen? To figure this out, we gotta define Er-Rahman, the absolute, infinite source of all divine mercy.
But this mercy isn't just some warm feeling, it's literally the gravitational pull of the entire universe.
Without this exact cosmic attraction, electrons scatter, moons drift away, and even our blood just stops flowing.
The catch? We mistakenly project our own conditional, human empathy onto God's totally unconditional, creative mercy.
See the difference? Rahim applies universally to absolutely everything, while Rahim is a specific, conditional kind of mercy.
This means true divine mercy is literally the act of pulling existence right out of absolute nothingness.
So, if this mercy is reality's foundation, it has to encompass absolutely everything we experience, no exceptions.
But wait, how exactly do pain, illness, or massive natural disasters fit into this perfect picture?
Here's the crazy paradigm shift. Nothing is created inherently evil in its essence. The real issue? Misuse.
Take earthquakes. They're actually a planetary pressure valve preventing Earth from exploding while also revitalizing our soil.
The real tragedy isn't the tectonic shift itself. It's human error, like building concrete cities on fault lines.
Even a terrifying venomous snake serves a merciful purpose. It acts as an ecological filter, extracting deadly toxins.
Every single thing exists bil-haq, designed with absolute truth, profound meaning, and a totally indispensable ecological purpose.
We suffer because we obsess over one isolated part, completely missing how the Creator orchestrates the whole survival.
So next time the world feels chaotic, ask yourself, are you obsessing over the part or trusting the whole?